Okay, today we're gonna write slope-intercept form of equation. Now let us recall the formula for slope-intercept form. And we know that the formula is y equal mx plus b. And we identify m as the slope, b is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is a point where the line crosses the y-axis. So if it is a point, the coordinate of the x coordinate will be 0 and there will be a number on the y because that is the y-intercept. Okay, let us begin. Example, given a point 1, 2 and a slope 5, write an equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, slope-intercept. But since I will not do slope-intercept first, what I'm gonna do is I will write the equation in point slope because I know a point, I know a slope. So I will begin with point slope form. And in our previous lesson today, the formula is y minus y1 equal mx minus x1. Okay, so we know this is x1, 2 is y1, m is 5. Let us start to plug in. Write the variable y, the value for y1 which is 2, the value for m which is 5. Write the variable x and the value for x1 which is 1. So this is now the point slope form of equation using this information. Now we're gonna convert this into slope-intercept form. You notice that the slope-intercept form is y equal. Look at the equation here. I will draw the line across the equal. It is in the form y minus 2. So therefore, I need to delete minus 2. I do the opposite or the inverse of minus. The inverse of minus is plus 2. So plus 2 on the left and plus 2 on the right. Okay. If I do that, this becomes 0. Okay. So y is already by itself. So now this is y equal. And then we have 5x, 5 parentheses x minus 1, and then plus 2. Now take a look at the pattern. I have here minus. And then I move this if you look at this second line, this next line, I move negative 2 on the other side of equal. I switch the sign. So I have 5 parentheses x minus 2 plus 2. So whenever you move one number to the other side of the equal, you change the sign. And now I will continue to simplify. I saw the parentheses, so I will use distributive property. Oh, no x. This should be only 5. No x. 5 times negative 1 is 5, and then plus 2. And then I add negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So this is my answer. I will write the answer here so you will see it clearly. My final answer now is y equals 5x minus 3. Let us check. Is it on the form slope-intercept form? Yes, slope-intercept. The slope is 5 and the y-intercept is negative 3. Now if you want to graph, let us graph. We already know how to graph. We know that the y-intercept b here is 0, negative 3. And m is 5 over 1. So if I will graph it, I will begin with 0, negative 3. And then I go up, I will do the movement. I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right 1 point. go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right 1 point. Then I connect all the dots or all the points. So, here is the graph of this problem. The slope is 5 over 1. It should contain 1, 2. Let's see if it, oh, there you go. It contains 1, 2. And if you look at the graph, the equation is the slope, the y-intercept is -3. There you go. And then the slope is 5 over 1. But this is our answer.